Hey folks, I'm attorney Roger P. Foley, struggling with something. I have a client who I entered into PTI, pretrial intervention program. They have them throughout the state of Florida. It's for relatively low-level felony crimes. Put the person into the program. They're supposed to contact me every 2 weeks to a month to keep me up to date on what they've completed so that there's no issues. I don't hear from the client for over 9 months. Emails, no response, but I don't hear anything from the state, so I assume everything is okay. Well, 10 months into it, I get an email from the prosecutor saying, hey, your client has got rearrested and we're going to have to set this for hearing. I'm going to file a motion to revoke bond, and we got to get it figured out. I email the client immediately, call the client, no response. A couple days later, do the same thing, get a response. Wait, what? I don't know what you're talking about, via email. Doesn't call me, doesn't just. And I think sometimes people think like, hey, if you're not in the jurisdiction, if you're a county over, or 2 counties over, or a state or 2 over, whatever, that they're not going to come pick you up, but they're going to come pick you up. So I'm trying to get it worked out, but I have zero feedback from the client. The client's not getting back to me, it's not responding, and it stinks because I'm doing everything I can do, but when you care more than the client, I mean, I don't even feel like the client cares at all. What do you do? So I filed a motion to withdraw, but I haven't set it for hearing. Today I'm going to set it for hearing and go into court and withdraw, and that person is going to end up with a warrant. They're not going to show up for court, right? It's going to cost them a lot more to get another attorney, because I've already been on the case. I know the case. It's going to cost them a lot more, and they're going to be extradited from one jurisdiction to another, which could take a week to 6 weeks. So that means they sit in custody anywhere from a week to 6 weeks extra, when if they just communicated. If you ever see a dog, when like you're upset with the dog gets into the tissue paper or whatever, and you're going, bad dog, and it turns its head and it thinks like if it can't see you, you can't see it. It's that kind of situation. This client's going to end up on a chain gang, and from one jurisdiction to another, and because they played the game, they're probably going to end up a convicted felon. And what do you say? Like, is that the attorney's fault? I can tell you it's not. I'm doing everything I can to help this client, but they're literally just ignoring, and it's so frustrating. And then that's the client that'll write something negative, when they get out of custody. Oh, my attorney, like, yeah, I got all the emails and all the text messages and voicemails, and it's like, you gotta respond. We are attorneys to help you. Sure, we make a living doing it, but you've paid us to be your best friend. We're going to be your best friend. You got to communicate. No communication means bad results. I'm attorney Roger P. Foley. Have a great day.